Abby, do you want some more chicken and cheesy potatoes? You want another bite? Do you like these? Here, you want to try? Open? No? You don't like these? Oh, okay. Oh, are you all done? One more? Do you like these? Chicken and potatoes, do you like them? Should Mommy buy them again? Alright, I'll get you something else.